Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall ChatGPT desktop app on Windows, complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the ChatGPT desktop app on Windows, first, locate the Start menu on your taskbar. Click on the Start menu to open it. In the search bar, type Settings and select the Settings app from the search results. Once the Settings window opens, find and click on Apps in the sidebar. This will take you to the Apps and Features section. Scroll through the list of installed applications until you find ChatGPT. Click on ChatGPT to reveal additional options. You will see an Uninstall button. Click on the Uninstall button to initiate the uninstallation process. A confirmation dialog will appear, prompting you to confirm the uninstallation. Click Uninstall again to proceed. Wait for the uninstallation process to complete. Once it is finished, you can close the settings window. To ensure the app is completely removed, you may want to check the installation folder. Navigate to this PC in File Explorer. Look for Program Files or Program Files, x86. Open the folder and check if the ChatGPT folder still exists. If you see it, right-click on the folder and select Delete. Empty your recycle bin to free up any space taken by the app. That's it. You have successfully uninstalled the ChatGPT desktop app from your Windows system. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.